Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's time for the Girls Down Under weekly YouTube hop, and for the month of July we are focusing on Christmas in July. And Christmas in Australia is quite warm, depends on where you are in the country, but up here in Brisbane where I am, we are sort of, I guess, not quite the midway, a little bit further up than the midway up the east coast, and it's subtropical climate, so it's very hot and humid, and Christmas Day is normally stinking hot. Air conditioning goes on in the morning, stays on all day. Tradition in my family is we have the traditional Christmas roast, so the oven's on all day, but we do sit on our back deck and eat it. We have a lovely big back deck on the back of the house facing the pool, so it's really nice. There's a fan out there, so we put the fan on and eat our baked Christmas dinner in like normally 35 degrees Celsius temperatures under a fan, but we still have to have this baked lunch anyway. So this photo is of our Christmas tree out on the back deck. This was the first year we moved into our house up here in Queensland. 2017 we moved from Sydney to Brisbane, and this was Christmas in 2018. We moved into this house in 2018, and this is our first Christmas tree on the back deck. We were really excited to have an outdoor space like that where we could enjoy a Christmas tree and decorations, and because it's summertime we spent a lot of time out on the back deck. So anyway, that's that photo. That's what that's about. Right, what I'm using is a Graphic 45 paper, and this is 2009, but it never goes old, it never goes out of date. And this side is really beautiful little icons, all Christmas vintage, but I'm going to have to sacrifice that side because I want this. I want the green. And the embellishments I have these huge big poinsettia flowers. I think these were from a card kit from Stampin' Up years ago. So I'm going to fussy cut these out, and they're going to be my main embellishments. I've got a few of them, I won't use them all. And then I found, so all these embellishments are from my colour boxes. I'm diving into my stash and pulling out anything that would work, because my colour boxes are piling up. They're getting quite full, so I need to start using what's in there. So I'm going to cut these leaves out, but I also then, once, like I saw that and went, oh, I'm going to cut those leaves out. That'll be fine to use. Then I saw these, which I think go with this. I think they were the same card kit. So I thought maybe I could cut these out instead, and they could be, you know, my leaves under my flowers. I also have some like craft colored just tucking pieces, because I saw this, which is Graphic 45 as well, of a Christmas tree, and I thought, oh, I want to use that, but it's got like that gingerbread color, I call it, around the outside, so I needed to bring that in as well. So that's what these are for. And because I'm backing my photo on cream, I've got some, I thought I had another one, but I'll find it, just cream circles with a gold ring on them. My heading's Merry Christmas. I've got some green tucking pieces with the gold trim. This was another tucking piece. Santa, I don't know whether he's going to make it on the page, but he's got like that vintage look. An arrow, because it's the right colour red. Some other red pieces for tucking. A red Christmas tree. And I wanted to use this at Christmas All Roads Lead Home, because this is our new home. Well, it's not a new home, new to us home. When we moved up here, so we stayed at Mum and Dad's because Mum and Dad had just passed in 2017. One passed in May, the other passed in November. So we moved up from Sydney mid 2017, before the second one passed, and then in 2018 we thought, okay, time to move out of their house and buy our own. So that's what this house is, and a red bow. Anyway, that was way too much gabbing. Let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. Did you just see me struggle with these red gems? Oh my gosh, they wanted to pop off and go everywhere. And I'm sure I'm going to have one on me somewhere. And I'll go out to make my lunch or whatever. And someone will point out it's probably stuck to the side of me or something. Anyway, they wanted to go everywhere but where they needed to go. And I've got to get a new take your pick tool. I've lost mine. So, well, I've lost the putty end. I don't know. So I'm using tweezers and sometimes they don't work so great. Anyway, I decided to ink everything to give it more the vintage vibe. And that all stemmed from this one photo of the tree that I wanted to include. And that's quite vintage, so everything else had to look vintage. I've done a little bit of journaling on the front. It's just the first Christmas and the year. And more detailed journaling will be on the back as always in a little envelope. And yeah, that is my layout. If you have any questions about anything I've used, any technique or anything like that, please comment below. If you like this page, give me the thumbs up. Be sure to check out the playlist below that has everyone listed who's playing along. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.